New recruitment is HPCL recruitment for R&D professionals. Designation is HPCL recruitment for research and development professionals. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited (HPCL) invites application for HPCL recruitment for R&D professionals from eligible and interested candidates. So we can check the job area: chemistry, chemical engineering, analytical, organic, physical chemistry, combustion and emission engineering, automobile engineering, thermal engineering, mechanical engineering, polymers, polyolefins, petrochemicals, plastic technology, biosciences like microbiology, molecular biology or biotechnology, or other relevant areas of chemical sciences. So location is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL, India. So we can check out the qualifications. For all the above positions, candidates must secure minimum 60% mark, and for SC, ST and PWD, 50%. Eligibility for PhD scholars holders would be PhD after ME or MTech, DE or BTech or MSc in relevant branch. Candidates with integrated PhD may also apply. However, such candidates must produce master's degree qualification along with PhD degree. For PhD in other relevant areas of chemical sciences, relevancy of PhD will be decided by subject matter experts. All work experience must be in supervisory or executive capacity. Work experience post minimum educational qualification will only be considered relevant. For the positions where PhD is mandatory, experience will be counted from the date of successful defense of PhD thesis. It is mandatory for candidates pursuing PhD qualification to mention the date of successful defense of PhD in their application. Research work carried out during course of acquiring PhD will not be considered as work experience. The courses offered by autonomous institutions or foreign universities should be equivalent to the relevant courses approved recognized by Association of Indian Universities. Research experience has to be in relevant specialized area. Teaching experience will not be considered. So, positions are Chief Manager or Deputy General Manager, Engine. Vacancies 1, Grade E or F, maximum age 45 to 50. Minimum educational qualification: PhD in combustion and emission engineering, automobile engineering, thermal engineering, mechanical engineering or other relevant areas of chemical sciences. Minimum experience 12 to 15 years. Other qualifications are ME or MTech in combustion and emission engineering, automobile engineering, thermal engineering, mechanical engineering, 14 to 17 years experience. Chief Manager, Deputy General Manager, Corrosion Research. 1 vacancy, E or F, that is a grade. Then maximum age limit 45 to 50. PhD in chemistry, chemical engineering, metallurgy with specialization in corrosion studies or other relevant areas of chemical sciences. Age limit 12. Second vacancy is Chief Manager, Deputy General Manager, Corrosion Research. 1 vacancy, grade E or F, age limit 45 to 50, qualification PhD in chemistry or chemical engineering, metallurgy with specialization in corrosion studies or other relevant areas of chemical sciences. Experience 12 to 15 years. Other qualifications are MTech in chemical engineering or metallurgy, 14 to 17 years of experience. Third vacancy, Chief Manager or Deputy General Manager, Crude and Fuels Research. 1 vacancy, grade E or F, then 45 to 50 age, then qualification PhD in chemical engineering or other relevant areas of chemical sciences, 12 to 15 years of experience. Then other qualifications are ME or MTech in chemical engineering, 14 to 17 years of experience. Next vacancy, Chief Manager or Deputy Manager, Analytical. There are 2 vacancies, grade E or F, age limit 45 to 50, PhD in Analytical, Organic, Physical Chemistry or other relevant areas of chemical sciences, 12 to 15 years experience. Then Assistant Manager or Manager, Petrochemicals and Polymers. 3 vacancies are there, BNC grade, then 34 to 36 age limit. Qualification PhD in polymers, petrochemicals, material science, polyethylene, organic chemistry or other relevant areas of chemical sciences, 1 to 3 years of experience. Then next qualification ME or MTech in chemical engineering, petrochemical, polymer, plastic technology. Age limit 33 to 36, then 3 to 5 years of experience. Next position assistant manager or manager engine, 1 vacancy sir. BNC grade 34 to 36 age limit. PhD in combustion and emission engineering, automobile engineering, thermal engineering, mechanical engineering or other relevant areas of chemical sciences. Then 1 to 3 years of experience. Then other qualification is ME or MTech in combustion and emission engineering, automobile engineering or thermal engineering, mechanical engineering, 3 to 5 years of experience. Next one is assistant manager or manager, novel separations, vacancies is 2, then grade B or C, age limit 34 to 36, educational qualification PhD in chemical engineering or other relevant areas of chemical sciences, experience 1 to 3 years. Other qualifications are ME or MTech in chemical engineering, 3 to 5 years of experience. Assistant manager or manager, catalyst scale up, then 2 vacancies are there. BNC grade 33 to 36 age limit, ME or MTech in chemical engineering, 3 to 5 years of experience. Senior officer, petrochemicals and polymers, 3 vacancies are there. Grade A, 32 is the age limit. Qualification PhD in polymers, petrochemicals, material science, polyethylene, organic chemistry or other relevant areas of chemical sciences. They haven't told about any experience. Senior officer engine, 3 vacancies are there. Grade A, 32 is the age limit. Qualification PhD in combustion and emission engineering or automobile engineering, thermal engineering or mechanical engineering or other relevant areas of chemical sciences. Then other qualification is ME or MTech in combustion and emission engineering or automobile engineering or thermal engineering or mechanical engineering. Age limit is 27. For both they haven't told any experience. Senior officer battery research, 1 vacancy, grade A, 32 is the age limit. Qualification PhD in chemistry, chemical engineering, master's material science, electrical engineering or other relevant areas of chemical sciences. Senior officer novel separation, 2 vacancies, grade A, 32 age limit, PhD in chemical engineering or other areas of chemical sciences. ME MTech in chemical engineering. Senior officer vessel upgradation, 1 vacancy, grade A, 32 is the age limit. For qualifications PhD in chemical engineering or other relevant areas of chemical sciences. Then 27 age limit for qualifications ME or MTech in chemical engineering. Senior officer crude and fuels research, 1 vacancy, grade A, 32 is the age limit. For PhD in chemical engineering or other relevant areas of chemical sciences. Then 27 age limit for ME or MTech in chemical engineering. Senior officer position, then vacancy 1, grade A, 32 is age limit. Qualification PhD in chemistry, analytical or organic or inorganic, and BSc and MSc in relevant areas of chemical sciences. They haven't told the experience. So job or position description. HPCL invites talented and motivated R&D professionals looking for exciting career opportunities in energy sector and willing to contribute towards India's energy future by being part of a growth journey. The selection process may comprise of various shortlisting tools like computer-based tests, group tasks, personal interview, etc. So, salary grade A, 60,000 to 1,80,000. Then salary grade B, 70,000 to 2 lakh. C, 80,000 to 2,20,000. E, 1 lakh to 2,60,000. F, 1,20,000 to 2,80,000. Selected officers will be on probation for 1 year from the date of joining. Upon successful completion of probation period, the officer will be considered for confirmation as per company policy. How to apply? Apply in this link. The current of http www.hindustanpetroleum.com. HP Careers current openings. So if you are having any queries, you can email in this. Last date for application is 18th April 2022. So you can apply as soon as possible.